Hi, George Peterson here from Front of House. We've got a great issue for you this month, starting with our coverage of
Sting 3.0 World Tour, and photojournalist Steve Jennings checks in with the audio crew for all the details. Upgrade activity in the church market continues to expand. We visit some installs where musicality, full coverage, and vocal intelligibility of the word are all important. Kevin M. Mitchell chats with legendary Triple Threat sound company owner, FOH engineer, and product developer Dave Ratt, who will receive the coveted Audio Innovator Award during NAMM at next month's Parnelli Awards. Our buyer's guide this month focuses on wireless microphone capsules, interchangeable heads for many pro wireless systems. Let users tailor the existing rig for any artist preference or application. We present some choices for you to check out. This Andrew Lloyd Webber classic returns for a New York revival with a simple staging that emphasizes performance rather than lavish effects. Olivier Award-winning sound designer Adam Fisher talks to Brian Reisman about the production. Steve Savanu checks out Yorkville's latest active 12-inch two-way speaker on a stick offering and finds it to be a powerful and versatile addition to add to your sound reinforcement arsenal. Santa has found some must-have essentials priced from free to $180,000 that any front-of-house reader could use, whether for giving or just for yourself. Keep this handy for all your holiday shopping needs.
There's a lot more in this month's issue of Front of House, whether you read it online, in print, or with our way cool, free iPad edition. But wherever you go, whatever you do, don't piss off the sound guy.